Hey there, friend. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant hustle and bustle of life? Today, I'm introducing you to mindful meditation, a practice that can transform your life. Stick around for some bonus tips. Mindful meditation is about being present, aware of thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It reduces stress, improves focus, and promotes well-being. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Mindful meditation activates the body's relaxation response, reducing stress levels and improving overall well-being. It enhances focus and concentration by training your mind to stay present. Additionally, it cultivates emotional awareness and resilience, leading to greater stability and improved relationships. With benefits including better sleep, enhanced self-awareness, and a stronger immune system, mindful meditation is a powerful tool for holistic well-being. Start with a few minutes daily and watch your life transform. Give mindful meditation a try today. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for joining me on this journey to mindfulness. Until next time, take care and remember to breathe.